Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this portable work light. This was sent to me to do this unboxing and demo, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's go ahead and break this thing out of the box here and see what it looks like. Okay. We got our little owner's pamphlet, the light, and a little USB-C cord, so that's charged via USB-C. So it comes with this little stand here, and fold those lights out like that. Okay, it's got a power button back here, and evidently you can charge it right here or use it as a charger, like a little power pack. So you can plug it in both ways. Okay, this is made out of rubber, so it's giving it a little bit of water resistance. Let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, we have multiple settings. So one, that's bright, dim. This light over here, that two lights, and then all three together. So, all right, so you know it's pretty flexible. Came at 8 up to the top, down to the bottom like that. You want light in multiple directions, you can do that. Even so, if you need light on both sides. So pretty flexible little thing here. It turns around like this, fairly easy to use. You know, pretty cool, and it seems pretty stable. Could take it anywhere. So if you're working underneath a car, you could be shining up like that. You can sit it on the edge of something. You know, pretty versatile little light. Let's take it outside and see what it looks like in the dark. All right, so we're outside here. Got just the light that's coming from inside my house. I don't have a porch light, so let's turn it on. And okay, so you can see there's a white bucket over here. It's a 5-gallon bucket on the ground. That is approximately 20 yards away. That tree is maybe about 17 yards away. There's a tree over there in the distance that's about 40 yards away. Okay, and that's just with the first light. Okay, so let's dim down. That's dim. That's the one light, two lights, and then all three lights. Okay, so now I can see those trees in the distance. They're about 30, 40 yards away. A lot better. The ground is very bright there. You know, it lights up a good area. You know, I mean, very wide. I mean, you can make it like almost a 360-degree light. So set it in the middle of something and have the ground lit. You know, that's pretty good. Pretty good little light. Very simple. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. I mean, nothing to complain about on this. Very easy to use and bright and very versatile. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and demo. And if it helped you out, please hit the thumbs up under the video and help me out. All right. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.